Once again, very good morning to all of you. Students, today we will start our third chapter of grammar, that is kinds of sentences. Okay. Yesterday we have done second chapter of grammar book, that is the sentence. Let me remind you the definition of sentence. What is the sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. I have given you the example also. I have given you two examples yesterday, like bus, car, table, chair, pen. This is also group of words, but there is no meaning. We cannot say that this is a sentence. There is no proper formation. Okay, each word has different meaning, but this is not a sentence. And second example, this is my house. Now, these words are in proper order. Okay, subject is there, object is there, verb is there. Also, we have done exercises, tick against the group of words which are sentences and across against those which are not. I think the chapter was clear to you. Today, we will start next chapter, kinds of sentences. Dear students, sentences are of different kinds. It may be interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, or affirmative, or you can say assertive. Okay. Sorry, assertive sentence, or you can say declarative. Statements can be either affirmative or it can be negative also. Affirmative and it can be negative also. Like, I am a boy, I am a good boy, I am not a good boy. Simple statement is there, and then negative statement is also there. He is very intelligent, he is not very intelligent. Okay, these are negative sentences. Yes, dear student, let's start with the questions, means interrogative sentences like what is your name, where are you going, what are you doing, how old are you, do you want to eat that fruit, do you want to go there. In all these sentences, I am asking question. And always keep in mind that in interrogative sentences, you will always find a question mark at the end. As you can see, the examples are given. Very simple example. First one, what is your name? How old are you? Do you go to school? These all are interrogative sentences. And you can see the question mark at the end of each sentence. Okay. A sentence that asks a question is called a question sentence, and question sentences are also called interrogative sentences. Means in the sentences where you find the question mark at the end, these are interrogative sentences. Okay, that starts with question like, what is your name? How old are you? What are you doing? What is your favorite color? What is your hobby? In which school do you read? All these are questions. That means these are interrogative sentences. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Regarding question, only interrogative sentences. Is there any doubt?
मैम एक बार मैम दोबारा समझा दो.
Okay. Wait.
मैम बी, पार्ट बी.
We are doing A part only. We have done only interrogative sentences. I have explained you only interrogative sentences. Have you any query regarding this part? Shaurya? We have
Yes,
done
ma'am.
only A part. In interrogative sentences, you have problem?
मैम बी पार्ट समझ आया मैम.
Which part?
Yes, ma'am. B part commands.
We have not done this part till now. We have done only A part.
Ma'am, part B.
Shaurya, we have done only A part in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We have done only interrogative sentences. If you have any problem in interrogative sentences, then I explain it again.
Yes, ma'am. मैम मेरी रेंज चली गई थी.
Okay, let me explain
मैम
you
एक बार
again.
क्वेश्चन वाला.
Oh, no problem, no problem. Interrogative sentences are the sentences in which anyone asks questions from you. Okay, like what do you want to ask? Sometimes your mother asks, what do you want to eat? Which dress do you want to wear? And simple questions the teacher asks, where are you going? What are you doing? Have you done your homework? Have you written all this? What do you want to play? Which is your favorite game? All these are questions. Do you like to play with clay? Okay. And always keep in mind that you will always find a question mark at the end of these kind of sentences. Like, what is your name? Then question mark. How old are you? Then you can see there is a question mark. Do you go to school? There is a question mark. Okay. We will put question mark at the end of the question sentences. Question sentences means interrogative sentences. In which class do you read? Simple sentences, number of sentences are there. Okay. These types of sentences are called interrogative sentences. Shaurya? Shaurya? Is it clear? Unmute yourself, Shaurya.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Clear.
Okay. Yes, anybody can give me the example of any interrogative sentence? Any one of you? Can you give me the example of interrogative sentence? Any interrogative sentence? Yes, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me example. Any example?
Ma'am, where are you going?
Where are you going? Yes. Anyone else?
What are you doing?
Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Only raise your hands. Okay. Yes, very good. Good efforts. Devansh?
Ma'am, where does you live?
Please repeat. Where?
Where does you live?
Where do you live? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Next. Dipanshu?
Ma'am, what is your name?
Please repeat. What is your
Name.
this example is given in the book. Any other example? Yes, Tanisha?
Ma'am, how old are you?
That is also given in the book. Different examples I want.
Ma'am, I tell.
Yes, Dipanshu?
Ma'am, what is your age?
Yes, please?
Ma'am, what is your age?
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, what?
Yes, Dikshayani?
Ma'am, what is your school name?
Yes. Anybody else? Yes, Khushi.
Ma'am, what is your sister name? What
Yes.
is your father
Yes.
name? Ma'am,
Yes.
what
Yes.
is
Yes.
your brother
Okay.
name?
Mute yourself. Yes. Good. Good efforts. Yes, Tanisha. Any other sentence?
Ma'am,
Yes,
are you
Tanisha.
going to market?
Yes. Please repeat.
Are you
Your voice
going
was
to
not clear.
market?
Yes. Very good. Are
Ma'am,
you going to market?
excuse me,
Good.
ma'am.
Who
Ma'am,
is
I
there?
tell.
Oh,
Ma'am, I tell.
wait.
Ma'am, I tell.
Who is there? Who is there? Who is saying
Ma'am,
I tell?
Riya.
Okay. Yes,
Ma'am,
Riya. Yes,
I'm
Riya.
go to shop. Ma'am, I tell.
Yes, please.
Ma'am,
Please
I
repeat.
go to shop.
Wait. Let her try. Yes, Riya.
I'm go to shop.
There is no question. This is simple statement. No question is there. Yes, Lavish.
How are you doing? What is your role number?
What is your roll number? Yes. Pritish.
I tell.
What can I do?
Lavish, mute yourself.
Can
Yes,
I
Pritish.
do for you?
Yes,
What
please.
can I do for you? I tell.
What can I do for you? Very good. Good efforts all of you are doing. Very good. Harshita.
Ma'am, I tell.
Yes, Harshita.
Ma'am, what is your class?
What is your class?
Ma'am,
In which class do you read?
I
The
tell.
correct formation is in which
Ma'am,
class
I
do you
tell.
read? Yes, Yashvi. Yashvi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Okay. Yes. Next. On your hand, everybody. Next part. Now we are doing part.
Ma'am.
Second is commands. Now look at these sentences. Open the window. Walk carefully. Give me your pen, please. Open the window. In this sentence, this is a command. This sentence, in this sentence, you are not asking any question. You are giving command. You are giving order. Open the window. Walk carefully. In this sentence, you are advising someone. In the third sentence, give me your pen, please. In this sentence, you are requesting. Please words show that you are requesting. Okay. Like yesterday, we have done one sentence, come in. This is command. Okay. Like other examples are switch off the light, open the door, please give me a glass of water. No subject is there, but this sentence has complete meaning. These groups of words makes complete sense. They are commands, and we put full stop at the end of these sentences. Okay, a sentence that gives a command is called a command sentence, or you can say imperative sentence. First we have done interrogative, next is imperative sentence. Come here, go there. All these are commands. Okay, is this clear? Very simple part this is. Is this clear? Yashasvi,
Yes, ma'am.
Saurabh, Dipanshu, down your hands.
Yes.
Why are you raising your hands? Dikshayani, Neerav, Tanisha, Akshit.
Ma'am, open the
Only
door.
raise your hand if you have any problem in this part. Commands. Commands are the requests, they are the advice, or they are the orders. All these are included in commands. All these are included in imperative sentences. Dakshayani, switch, mute yourself. Dipanshu, you may ask number of times, but every topic should be clear. No doubt should be there. Dipanshu, do you want to ask something? Is there any problem? Dipanshu? Yes. Any other student? Have you any query regarding this part?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Have you any query?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. I'm clear.
Clear?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
other student? If
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want, I can explain again. Or if it is clear, then again, now it's your turn. Ready for your turn?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for your turn?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
first
ma'am.
example. Who will give me the example? Who will give me the example of imperative sentences? Yes, Akshit, go ahead.
Ma'am, open the door. Please,
Yes, open the door.
give me the juice. Please give me the juice. Ma'am,
Please give me juice. Yes, Akshit, good. Good. Mute yourself. Next turn, Shreya. Good efforts, Akshit. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, go to
Yes.
class.
It's your turn. Go to class. Yes. Tanisha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, close the door.
Give me example of
Ma'am,
close
close
the
the
door is
door.
also correct. Instead, you can say shut the door. Close the door is also correct, but this is better. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tanisha?
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
statement was also correct. Yes, Saurabh? Saurabh?
Ma'am, I tell.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Saurabh? It's your turn.
Ma'am, I tell.
Example of imperative sentence. No. Yes, Saurabh?
Give me my pencil.
Give me my pencil. Yes. Next, Dikshayani.
Ma'am, I tell.
Nirav. Just
Yes,
wait,
ma'am.
Yashvi.
Ma'am,
Nirav, give me example.
Ma'am, open the fan.
Yes, please. Open the
Fan.
Open the
Fan.
Open the fan. Switch on the fan. Okay? Okay? Yes, Yashvi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do you work daily? Ma'am, I tell.
You work daily.
Ma'am, I tell.
Do you work daily?
Ma'am, I tell. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do you work daily?
Yes.
Ma'am, I
Shaurya. Yes.
Ma'am, I tell.
Yes, Shaurya.
Ma'am, I tell.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shaurya. It's
Ma'am,
your
go
turn.
to a bed.
Go
Ma'am,
to
go
bed.
to the bed. Ma'am, I tell. Ma'am, I tell.
Yes.
Ma'am, I tell.
Next, Lavish.
Ma'am, go to the
Go
bed. Ma'am,
to
I
bed.
tell. Ma'am, I tell. Give me my bag.
Then, please. Who is there?
Go
Yes,
to
Shaurya,
the
please
bed.
repeat your sentence.
Go to the bed.
Only this? Only this much? Go to bed. Go to the bed.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no need to write the here.
Ma'am,
There
I
is no
tell.
need to write put the here. Okay, go to bed. That's
Ma'am,
enough.
I tell.
Okay.
Ma'am, I tell.
Yes,
Ma'am, I tell.
Lavish.
Ma'am, I
Harshita,
tell.
please wait. Harshita,
Please give me my bag.
please give me.
My bag.
Please give me.
My
Yes,
bag.
please give me my bag. Yes, very good. That is the request. Yes, Harshita. Now it's your turn. And that is the last sentence. That is
Ma'am,
the
give
last
me
example
your
of
book, please.
give me your book, please. Yes. Okay. Now next part we are doing. Yes, who is there? Who is there?
Ma'am, wash your hands.
Who was there?
Ma'am, Pritish.
Wash your hands.
Pritish, you have done this?
Ma'am, wash your hands.
Yes. Next part is statements. Now look at these sentences. I have lost my purse. The baby is feeling cold. Her father is a businessman. These sentences do not ask question. There is no question. There is no demand. Only simple statements are there. And we have to put full stop at the end of the statement. There is no question. I have lost my purse. This is a simple statement like I am a boy. I am going to the market. Okay. She is a beautiful girl. Simple statements are there. And we have to put full stop at the end of simple statements. Okay. And a statement can be negative also. I have given you the example in the starting. Like, this is my pen. This is not my pen. This is my pen is a simple statement and this is not my pen. It is negative. Okay. These statements are also called assertive sentences. Okay. And these assertive sentences may be negative also. Okay. Now look at part D. Write S for statement, Q for question, and C for command. For simple statement, you have to write S. For commands, you have to write C. And for questions, you have to write Q. Okay. Yes, first one. Pongal is a popular harvest festival. Pongal is a popular. Only raise your hand. Saurabh, only raise your hand. No one will shout. Mute yourself. Saurabh, mute yourself. Saurabh. Yes, now it's Aditi. It's your turn. First one.
Yes.
Pongal is a. Yes, this is a simple statement. There is no command. There is no question. So we have to write S in the box. Okay. Next, in which state is Pongal mainly celebrated? In which state is Pongal mainly celebrated? Yes, Aradhya. Aradhya.
Ma'am.
In which state is Pongal mainly celebrated?
Ma'am, question.
Yes, this is a question. And you can see the question mark at the end of this statement. So, we have to write Q in the box. First one is statement. Second is question. Third one, ma'am, tell us some stories connected with Pongal. Yes, Shaurya. Dipanshu.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shaurya, we are doing third one. Ma'am, tell us some stories connected with Pongal.
Yes, ma'am.
Which kind of sentence this is?
Ma'am. Ma'am, statement.
No. Tell us
Ma'am,
some stories connected.
statement.
No. You are requesting. Command.
Ma'am, command.
You are requesting. Ma'am, tell us some stories connected Pongal.
Ma'am,
Okay.
commands. Ma'am, commands.
Command. Yes. Fourth one. Do come to
Yes,
attend
ma'am,
my...
command.
Okay, Shaurya. Do come to attend my sister's wedding. Do come to attend my sister's wedding. Khushi.
Ma'am, question mark.
No. There is no question mark at the end of this sentence.
Ma'am,
Is
command.
there any question mark? Command. Do come to attend my sister's wedding. Mean you are requesting. Please come to attend my sister's wedding. This is a command. Okay. Next,
Okay,
my parents will be happy. My parents will be happy to meet you. Tanisha. My parents will be happy to meet you.
Ma'am, statement.
Very good. This is a simple statement. No question, no command is there. Next one, where is wedding being celebrated? Where is the wedding being celebrated? Shreya?
Question mark.
Shreya? Question mark means interrogative sentences. We have to write here Q. Question sentence you can say. You can say interrogative sentence. Okay?
Question mark.
Okay? Yes, there is a question mark, but interrogative sentence. Okay? Or you can say question sentence. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Okay, next 7th, we have made arrangements for the wedding Tivoli Garden. We have made arrangements for a wedding at Tivoli Gardens. Yes, whose turn is left? Wait. Prakshal.
Yes, ma'am.
Which kind of sentence this is? We have made arrangements for the wedding at Tivoli Gardens.
Tivoli Garden. Ma'am, sentence. Ma'am, statement.
This is a simple statement. No question, no command is there. Very good. Next one, 8th one. Now we are doing, my friend, you should go to a doctor.
Ma'am.
Yes, Lavish.
Ma'am, command.
This is a statement. You should go to a doctor, or you can say command also. But I think statement is better. Statement. You have to write here S. My friend, you should. There is a student. There is a subject also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one, my friend. Why do you want to go to a doctor?
Ma'am, I tell.
Yes, Devansh. My friend, why do you want to go to a doctor?
Ma'am, cause that